What's up? This is John from DJ's Videos. I got Jordan Haley with me as he attempts to do the staple trick. You've probably seen Steve do this on Jackass. Well, we're going to attempt this at home. Ready for this, Jordan?
No. No, I'm not ready.
You got to do it, then I'm going to do it. Yes. There you go. Right there. Staple. Okay, ready? You good?
Yeah, buddy.
Ready?
Okay.
You ready? Are you ready for this? How do you want me to hit you?
There.
Hit you like that?
Yeah, hard.
Ready?
Oh, you fucking make it stick.
Okay. Look, the paper stuck to him. Paper stuck to him.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh, that was a staple trick.
Show the camera one more time.
It's bleeding now. Put one more on your arm. For 1 sec. One more.
No.
One more on your arm. One more.
In the leg.
Okay, in the leg.
No, dude, the leg's gonna hurt worse.
No, it won't.
Yes, it
Ready?
will.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Your turn. Your turn.
Fuck you. Alright.
Just two, man.
Alright. You gotta do one more. That was a staple trick. Keep with us, John. That was Jordan. Staple trick.
Peace out, man.